Learn English with RAKIZAR, Spoken English course. Number 1. Sagacious. Its meaning is wise. Number 2. Fastidious. Its meaning is difficult to please. Number 3. Indomitable. Its meaning is impossible to defeat. Number 4. Erudite. Its meaning is having extensive knowledge. Number 5. Mendacious. Its meaning is dishonest. Number 6. Supercilious. Its meaning is behaving as superior to others. Number 7. Munificent. Its meaning is extremely generous. Number 8. Intransigent. Its meaning is unwilling to compromise. Number 9. Sycophant. Its meaning is a person who flatters powerful people for personal gain. 10. Pellucid meaning is very clear and easy to understand. Join Spoken English course by RAKIZAR Institute. We are offering physical and online classes. There is no age limit in this course. It's very economical, its fee is low as free. Seats are limited, join now. Register now at 0323 886 8000. Thank you for watching.